Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's episode we're going to be doing something special actually over here for you if you are looking for investment in the cryptocurrency space and you actually hate to do a research through the 5,000 coins. This is one of the good way to actually go through some of the article and actually do a research on those coins that they are putting over here. And this is the top blockchain projects to watch in 2020 or top cryptocurrencies. And also we're going to go from 10th to the first one to see which one is the best one and also why. And now, let's begin. Now, this video is from the newsmention.com over here. This is not sponsored video, neither the sponsor article as I can see over here. So this is very good, interesting opinion. So we're going to go through these, 10 coins. And if you like any of them, you can do a research. Always do a research before you invest in anything. This is volatile market. And if you didn't used to actually see such a volatile price actions, then you need to invest a little bit less money and so on and so on. So always do your own due diligence, but this is actually a good example to see which one of them could be your potential investment in the future. So the first over here, or let's say 10th on the list, is Zcash. Zcash is one of the top privacy coins in the world. This token introduced the world to ZK snark. And this zero-knowledge proof is easy to verify and secure. It also allows Zcash to transmit transactions without divulging the content of the transactions. Privacy coins are always in high demand in the crypto sector. Zcash is one of the premier platforms for anyone interested in keeping their privacy secret. As I told you, it's very, very good to have private options also in cryptocurrency space. So going to the next one, Digibyte. Digibyte makes this list for a variety of reasons. For one, this token reflects the spirit of the decentralized economy in a manner that makes it stands out against in the competition. For example, Digibyte developers receive no compensation for their efforts. In fact, the entire coins community is made up of volunteers. This is very interesting about Digibyte. I really wanted to actually cover this coin, but I totally forgot about it. So if you want that, if there is a demand for such a review, let me know in the comment section down below. Digibyte is a full-service blockchain that enables fast transactions, private sense and smart contracts programmability. The platform is best known for its governance model that gives the entire network a voice in update decisions. So this is the 9th already coin, or let's say blockchain of the coin that is, potential good investment. Let's go to 8th place. So next one is Litecoin. Litecoin has seen growing interest from large finance institutions. These major investors see Litecoin as a more stable and safer investment than Bitcoin. Litecoin is used by these firms to help provide a balanced portfolio. The reason also why I think it is one of the stable and safer investment than Bitcoin is because, their CEO sold coins. So I don't think there are too many entities that are holding large amount of Litecoins. So there is a big potential for rise of this, demand for Litecoin in the cryptocurrency space in the next period of time, especially in the bull market, because there will be no bigger whales to actually dump on people. So this is why it's also interesting to have a Litecoin. Litecoin recently underwent some protocol upgrades. Additionally, the coin had a major Lightning Network update. The Lightning Network provides Litecoin with unlimited scalability and unmatched transaction speeds. And now next one, Tron. Interesting, right? Tron entered the markets as the currency for the decentralized internet. This utility token allows users to the Tron network to pass value and conduct other transactions such as smart contracts programming. Importantly, Tron has seen a large uptick in platforms launched on its blockchain. Additionally, Tron has a very active community, and we all know that you can always see the company's CEO in the news. In one instance, he had lunch with Warren Buffett. Hopefully, he was able to change his mind from anti-Bitcoin over to pro-Satoshi, but that's not the true, we all know, and not the case.
Well, I would say this, when Justin and 4 friends came, they behaved perfectly, and we had a good 3.5-hour dinner, and the whole thing was a very friendly.
So it sounds like he did not change your position.
No, but I didn't change his either. And I had a very pleasant dinner, and those people they behaved more than well.
Going to the next one, EOS, focused on making debt programming. We all know that as simplistic as possible. EOS specifically targets the areas in which Ethereum lacks at. Now, one of the interesting thing about iOS is that we witnessed actually launch of their platform, I think, if I'm not wrong, 2 times, and they actually failed. What they did since that time, I don't know. So if there are any, iOS holders, let me know in the comment section down below what iOS did in that question, because I know that iOS fell a little bit from the top 10 and they were actually in top 5 if I remember good after crash of 2017. But nevertheless, the platform and their blockchain, it is amazing. So these features helped iOS to make it into the top 20 cryptocurrencies in the world. EOS has an active dApp development sector, and the platform already has over 100 dApps that live on its blockchain. Very interesting, so use case is already here. With many more set to be released, it's no wonder this coin continues to see price increases. It serves a critical role in the market. Now, just for fun, we can search for the iOS, and over here, yes, we are in the top 12 over here. And iOS is still, fighting for $3 for pretty much a long time over here. If we switch on the charts over here, we can see that we were on $22 on the iOS. And right now we are pretty, long way to go, to hit those prices. So yeah, we will see how the iOS will do in the future. It's very interesting. And switching to the 6th, Ripple XRP. Ripple is one of the best known cryptocurrencies in the market. This coin made a name for itself from day one. Primarily, Ripple is designed to serve institutions such as banks. The platform allows for near instant international money transfers. Ripple was the first cryptocurrency to cross the aisle and service the banking industry. Today, the Ripple network includes some of the biggest institutions in the world. Even Visa signed up to research a more efficient payment system. Couple these partnerships with an active and supportive community, and you have a coin that is sure to see success, which is on some sort of way true, and on other hand, it's not so true. Because Ripple has a load of partnerships and not everyone are using Ripple, or let's say XRP token, and not every single bank is using a Ripple system, or let's say XRP token. That needs to be and remains to be seen in the future, how XRP will solve the problems for the banks on the globally and not just locally for a few banks or few central banks. We will see if the Ripple can actually do it and overtake maybe Ethereum. Everything is possible, but lately we saw Ripple getting overtaken by Tether few times. So if Ripple tends to actually be such a good investment in the future, needs to push more in market capitalization. And of course, in this list over here, we have Link. Chainlink continues to make headlines for its unique approach to the market. Unlike most blockchains, Chainlink seeks to add value to the entire market. Chainlink focuses on Oracle data verification technologies. Oracles send data to and from the blockchain. You could have oracles that send the state of a product, weather, contract, or even a person's health to the blockchain. These next generation protocols can then trigger the relevant smart contracts to complete various transactions, which, by the way, in other words, they actually connected real world with the blockchain world, bridges and stuff like that. So this is also one of the very special and niche blockchain for a special purpose. So it's very good to observe Link. Now, what kind of a return of investment you will have in the Link, we're still not sure yet, because Link is pretty high right now. And as much as the price is going up, then your chance for the better price is decreasing, for the better return of investment is decreasing. So you need to take that in mind also. This is the reason why you need to hit that like and subscribe button and follow us over here, because of the technical analysis. We're going to give you technical analysis of the price, so you will also have, good entrance for such a coins. We're covering Link, VeChain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the main coins on the charts. Next one is DAI. DAI is the utility token for the MakerDAO platform. Users can pay their loans off or borrow DAI directly from the platform's interface. Importantly, DAI is an ERC20 token. In this way, users can store it in any ERC20 compliant wallet. Also, DAI will always be worth $1 due to the technical aspects that pidge it to the dollar. This strategy was used to allow users to conduct transactions without fear of losing out on future appreciation. DAI is available on Coinbase Pro. So as you can see, DAI is pretty much a stable coin over here. This is the reason why this is one of the good investment, or let's say, you know, to save or store your wealth, at least for a short period of time when you're trading something, you know, you're not losing in volatility in the crypto space. And now, narrowing the choice over here, we're coming to the top two, or let's say second one, GSX. GXX comes in second due to the fact it possesses all the technical aspects of Apollo and more. GSX is a next generation stablecoin that changes the game entirely. Let's see what is this all about, and you all know that we're covering GSX also on our channel. This multi-purpose cryptocurrency functions as an investment coin, a stablecoin, and a cryptocurrency. For example, GSX holders receive yearly dividends proportionate to their holdings. Wow, guys. GSX is pinned to physical gold and its profitable mining operation. The coin represents fractional ownership of the company and all of its assets. These assets include the physical gold, the mining equipment, and the land where the mine is located. Impressively, both the gold and real estate are set to appreciate for years. The only place to get GSX is at gsxcde.com at the moment. The token is available in pre-sale with discount. Early birds can get up to 50% of this unique token right now. I also received GSX because I'm holding Apollo. Now, one interesting thing that I know about GSX, you know, it's going to go up in value. Actually, I know it's a little bit weird for stablecoin, but it does have special model. It's not going to go below its price because of the gold, because of the land. Those kind of assets and commodities are not falling down so easily, and this is the reason why it's going to hold its price, you know, above average level, and it's going to rise proportionally with the gold and such a hard assets like real estate and the lands. Apollo currency owns, I think, 3,600 acres already in the Africa, so this is going to be very important for the GSX to actually rise up in the value. And also I heard from CEO that they are going to get even, you know, more land of worth of $2 to $3 billion, if I understood good. That was 2 days ago, and we're going to see, you know, it's going to bring value of GSX even more. That means pretty much if you're owning this GSX, you're going to own also gold. You're going to literally have right to actually raise gold instead of money. Or let's say you're owning piece of land in Africa in those areas where they are owning that, right? GSX has really special collateral over here, and you know, gold is thousands and thousands of years living between the people and getting used at least for something, even for store of value. So yeah, I think GSX needs to be watched, especially because it's stable coin and it's going to go up in value. It's weird, but do our research, and we have, you know, a lot of videos about GSX on our channel also, so make sure to hit that like, subscribe button and go through our videos. And now number one, guys, get ready. Apollo. No top 10 list would be complete without Apollo. This token has raised the bar in terms of security and ease of use. For example, Apollo is only quantum resistant blockchain in the world. Yes, you heard this well, quantum resistant blockchain in the world. And if you're interested to see how quantum resistant blockchain in the world, I'm going to put the link somewhere around on the screen, so you can just click and switch to that video, or you can just go to our channel and search for the quantum resistant blockchain. We also cover this. This title means that only Apollo is prepared to scale well into the next decade. Speaking on scalability, Apollo is on par with national payment processors like PayPal and Visa. Yes, they have national payment platform, which many countries are going to use it, and right now they are in beta version. They're testing national payment platform, and some of the countries are interested to implement this, which means that many people in those countries are going to use Apollo blockchain literally for paying the fees in Apollo. And just think how this will raise price in the skies. And also don't forget, the Apollo is pretty much down right now, and that's also one of the good indication that your ROI, or return of investment, is going to be insanely big if you have just a little portion of Apollos, you know, for the side, not even watching it what it's doing. It could it has big potential because of its use case to, shoot in the sky. So observe Apollo is going to be insane in the next period of time, and in this month, in the next 3 weeks or so, they're going to release insane big stuff just in the next 3 weeks, so prepare yourself. However, unlike these centralized options, Apollo provides users with more flexibility. Users can choose between a private or public transaction. In this way, Apollo upgrades the current system in use globally. App development is the area in which Apollo is most known. This platform simplifies the programming process and provides developers with all the tools they need to create truly amazing applications. Literally anyone can program a token using Apollo's interface. Apollo is available exclusively on the Bitmart exchange for now, but soon it will be on Binance and everything. We're covering Apollo a lot on our channel, and this is also one of the reasons why we covered one of the articles. And if we switch over here on Apollo Fintech media coverage on their announcement channel, you can see insane big coverage of the Apollo. Many are talking about Apollo. Just look at these links and these articles. Look at this, guys. This is insane. They are getting some tractions, and believe me or not, they are going to end up in top 20. I just want you not to be left behind. Just check out this cryptocurrency and also the other top 9 that we just covered. GSX also, it's from Apollo Fintech. But you can see over here insane coverage. They literally have over here over 60-70 in the previous 3 weeks or so, and the traction will hit the road very soon once they come to the Binance also very soon and release all of their product in the next 3 weeks. So don't be left behind. Just check out this cryptocurrency. Don't be, let's say, lazy. You have everything also on our channel on the plate. All you need to do is just go to our channel and check them out. Now I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comment section down below, do you own any of these coins, and what do you think about all of these coins, and let's say the first and second one, Apollo and GSX. What do you think about all of this? I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, and until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.